Auzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So for today's lesson, we will break down the letters. Okay, this is a simple surah. Okay, first letter is Qaf with Dhamma, gives you Ku. We have Lam with Sukun, so Kul, Ko, and Lam, Kul. So this is Hamzah with Fathah, A. Then you have Ain with Dhamma, U. We have Waw Mat, so A'u. After you have Zal with Dhamma, Zu, A'udhu. And you have a Ba with Kasra, B. You have a Ra with Fathah, gives you Ra, B Ra. And after that you have a Ba with Kasra, with Tashdid, B Ra B. Then you have Hamzah to Wasl. You have Lam with Sukun. Then you have Fa with Fathah. Then you have Lam with Fathah. And you have a Qa with Kasrah. Birabbil, skip the Hamzah to Wasl. Birabbil Falaki. Because this is the last one, last letter, we change it to Sukun. So it becomes Birabbil Falak. Kul a'udzu birabbil falak. Okay, so I hope this simple breakdown allows you to look into the Quran and have a hang of practicing them in terms of each letter and the vowels that's attached to it. Inshallah, may this lesson be beneficial for you guys.